Hi everyone, today I'm going to be fixing these stripped screw holes on my BMW license plate bracket. One design flaw on these cars is that the license plate screws go straight into soft plastic, and this bracket costs $80, so let's fix it instead of buying a new one. The first step is to remove the license plate bracket so it can be repaired. This bracket is quite easy to take off as it's just held on with 4 screws. After taking the bracket off the car, it's clear that the thread stripped out from over tightening. To fix this, I'm going to be installing these stainless steel jack nuts. I got this kit with the installation tool on Amazon, and these allow me to add durable stainless steel threads to any plastic part, including the license plate bracket. The first step is to drill out the damaged threads. These jack nuts include a drill bit, which is pretty convenient, and after I get these holes drilled out, the nuts just pop right in. Next, I repeated the process of drilling holes and inserting the stainless steel nuts on the 3 remaining stripped screw holes. After all the nuts have been pushed into their holes, it's time to seat them using the installation tool. This tool has a screw that screws into the jack nut, and then a wrench is used to hold the hexagonal body while the center screw is tightened down. This pulls the back of the nut inwards, locking it onto the plastic. When the jack nut feels solid and the center screw on the installation tool has bottomed out, you can then remove that installation tool and now you are done. Next, repeat the same process on the 3 remaining jack nuts. Here is the repaired license plate bracket with stainless steel threads installed. The previous plastic threads were damaged by a dealership employee who used too much torque, and that's not going to be a problem with stainless steel threads. So you can see here a stainless steel machine screw threads in nicely, and I'll be using these screws to mount the plate. And here is the repaired license plate bracket after installing it back on the car using the 4 screws. Be careful not to over tighten these, as the bumper is plastic. And now I can install my license plate and frame by using 4 stainless steel machine screws. I'm using hex head screws for a nice clean look. Make sure to use stainless steel screws though, as regular screws will rust and look really ugly on the front of your car. I'm really happy with how this repair turned out. After repairing the bracket, it's stronger than the original one since it has stainless steel threads. And considering a new bracket is $80 and the materials used for this repair cost $20, it saved me a good amount of money too. I hope you folks found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. I'll leave a link to buy the jack nuts I used in the description, and I'll see you on next time.